Welcome to this BodyMaitre guided clearing. Today, we are going to release the heavy, draining energy of criticism and judgment that you may have absorbed from a loved one. Find a comfortable seated position or lie down. Uncross your arms and legs to allow your energy to flow freely. Close your eyes, take a deep, slow breath in through your nose, expanding your chest and your belly. And exhale slowly through your mouth with a soft sigh. Take another deep breath in, pulling fresh, vital life force into your body. And exhale, releasing any immediate tension you are holding from today. We begin by establishing our energetic container. In your mind's eye, call forth your higher self. Invoke the presence of the Collective Angelic Team. Ask them to surround you now in a pillar of pure, sovereign white light. Feel this light wrapping around you, safe, warm, and impenetrable to anything that is not of the highest truth and love. Bring into your awareness the critical energy you have been dealing with. You do not need to picture the person, just feel the heaviness of their words and their judgment. Understand in this moment that their criticism is not yours to carry. It is a projection of their own blocked energy. You are simply the mirror. Right now, we choose to step out of the reflection. Repeat after me, either out loud or silently in your mind. I command my higher self and the Collective Angelic Team to help me detach from all projections, judgments, and criticisms directed at me. Bring your awareness to your spiritual body, the realm of I realize. Often, a critical loved one is hoarding old energies and past traumas, and they try to pull you into their heavy timelines. Repeat after me. I command the Collective Angelic Team to sever all energetic cords connecting my spiritual body to the hoarded old energies of others. I release all karmic debris and dense attachments that are not mine. I claim my spiritual sovereignty right here in the present moment. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, see those heavy cords dissolving into light. Now, shift your focus to your mental body, the realm of I think. When someone operates from a survival program of superiority, your mind may react by feeling defensive, unworthy, or constantly needing to prove you are right. Repeat after me. I command my higher self to clear any resonance in my mental body to the superiority programs of others. I release the need to defend myself, to over-explain, or to prove my worth. I clear the fear of making mistakes. Breathe in deeply. And as you let it go, feel your mind becoming quiet, still, and entirely unbothered by the opinions of others. Move your attention down into your emotional body, the realm of I feel. This is where we absorb the frequency of being let down. When they fail to appreciate you, it leaves an ache of disappointment in your heart center. Repeat after me. I command the Collective Angelic Team to flush out the frequency of feeling let down, unappreciated and invalidated from my emotional body. I wash away the sadness of unmet expectations. I validate my own heart. I appreciate my own efforts. Take a deep breath directly into your chest. Hold it for a moment. And exhale, letting the heavy emotional water drain away from your field. Finally, bring your awareness to your physical body, the realm of I act. Criticism makes us armor up. We hold on to their inability to let go, creating tension in our neck, our jaw, and our shoulders. Repeat after me. I command my physical cells to release the density of other people's judgments. I release the armor. I let go of the physical tension and the fight or flight response. It is safe for my nervous system to relax. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, drop your shoulders. Unclench your jaw. Feel a wave of warm, soothing relaxation wash down your spine all the way to the soles of your feet. Your four bodies are now clear, aligned, and sovereign. You are no longer a vibrational match to their criticism. When they speak from their blocks, their words will simply bounce off your pillar of white light. Repeat this final invocation. I ask my higher self and the Collective Angelic Team to download and anchor a new baseline frequency of profound peace, unshakable confidence, and emotional immunity across my four-body system. And so it is. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Send a wave of gratitude to your higher self and the Collective Angelic Team for their assistance today. Take one final deep breath in. And as you exhale, gently open your eyes. You are clear, you are grounded, and you are entirely whole.